my favorite. Oh my god. It's not like I don't get these every other week, but I'm gonna still try it. All right, hold on, hold on. I'm sorry, but I couldn't even win. Hey guys, it's your girl Donna Prescott, CEO and founder of Donna Prescott Beauty brand based in the Crown Heights area of Brooklyn, New York. And I'm here today to do an unboxing, okay? This is another black woman owned business in Brooklyn. As you know, I'm based in Brooklyn and she's based in Brooklyn, and we've been like entrepreneuring, bestie kind of thingy happening going on. So I got hooked to her cupcakes because they're so delicious. Oh my god. One of my favorite flavors from her is the banana pudding. I love that. So I actually got me some cupcakes with my order, but this is not the actual unboxing part of it that we're going to be getting into. But I love her so much because she's always hooking me up with a cupcake. Listen, these cupcakes be good. I'm not lying, y'all. I mean, a girl loves some cupcakes, but these cupcakes, I'm sorry, but I couldn't even wait. Wait, we gotta get through this one cupcake, and then we're gonna do this unboxing. This is so good. I swear, y'all. All right, hold on, hold on. All right, back to the regular schedule. Let's do this unboxing. Woo! This cake was so good. Okay, so let's get into this. What is this? It's called Ruffles. Alright. Let's see what the Ruffles are. Oh, it's pretty much chips that she customized. Ooh. Let's see if it's sweet. Oh, this looks like it has marshmallow just plain in it. It's sweet and salty. This is good. This is pretty good. Okay. Let's see what else is in my box. So we got, this looks like banana flavored Rice Krispies. Okay. Nice. And in the box, she gave me her information. So you guys, I'm going to put all her information in the bottom of this review so that you guys can reach out to her. But you got her Instagram and her website so you can place your order. And a thank you card, which is so cute. And there's a bag in here with, ooh, let me find out. I pulled everything out the bag. This is so dope. Listen, branding and packaging is so important. You know when you go to a restaurant and you get all your like utensils? She even gave like extra snacks, yo. This is dope. This is dope. And look at the napkin. Money, 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 money. I'll be wiping my after my dessert with money. Yes, girl. I love it. All right. And these must be the cake jars. Look at how your cake jars come in the mail. Like this is dope. This is dope. Alright. Ta-da! My favorite! Oh my god. It's banana again. I'm a banana girl. I don't know what it is about me. But these are the sizes of her cake jars. And for this one, I just love banana. So I always get everything banana. So that's why I'm bananaed out today. Alright. But I am going to, let's, damn. Secure. Yes, girl. All right. Let's try it. I mean, it's not like I don't get these every other week, but I'm gonna still try it. Listen, if you think I'm faking it, get you your order. These are so good. So good. Yeah. I love it when, you know, you find a business that's like consistent with their packaging, consistent with their flavors, consistent with their delivery, consistent with everything. And she's so professional. And that's the things that I love about her. So she has plenty other flavors and whatnot. So check out her website. Her name is Drunken Shots. On TikTok, Instagram, everywhere. And her website is drunkenshots.com. So go check my girl out and order you some treats. You know, when you have that birthday party, that baby shower, anything, or you just wanna order like me, check my girl out. Thank you guys.